the weather report this morning looked pretty good. But there are winds aloft, but they all appear to be going in the same direction, so no shear, I don't know if that's the right word, inversion layers where they change directions, none of that. So later, when you're looking at Pickle Rick there, compare how fast I'm going now to when I come back to the airport. I have some neighbors, and they walk their dog every morning early, about the time I'm setting up my stuff in my truck to come here. And they've stopped and talked to me a couple times, and they wanted to see my videos, so welcome new subscribers. This is cool. Flying sideways. Love that wing. Here's my target. Big old lazy S-turn as I get blown. I'll turn into the wind. Oh, fun. Okay, I'll do it. Whoa, whoa! Both runways are closed? Oh, wow. No skydiving school today, then. What are you doing? You didn't know that was the runway? It is blowing harder than it was when I took off. Whatever, I'll just take the elevator right into the bed of my truck. Right there. There it is. Yeah? What do you think? Think I can do it? I wonder, if you lean to the right and pull left brake, can you side slip a paramotor? You know, like airplanes do? Right rudder, left aileron, side slip. Can you do it? Of the 10 people that watch my videos, if you know the answer, leave a comment. That's funny. I feel like you can a little. Kind of want to touch and go, man. All right. And it's wet here. Yuck. Whoop, whoop. Get it. Boom, boom. Got it. That's weird. Looks like there's a sign in the middle of the woods there. Oh, it looks also like there's a little road there, so yeah, it goes off that way. Okay. I wonder what the sign says. Just watch out. This is fun. I feel like I'm just kind of sailing, which makes sense since my wing is a sail. But it's fun. I haven't flown on the beach yet, but I used to fly sailplanes on the beach where you just cut back and forth in front of condos. We called it condo soaring. Just fly laterally back and forth. Just what it feels like I'm doing right now. Like almost paraparked. Actually, with the sailplanes, you do make some forward progress a little, like I am. If you put your sailplane directly out to the ocean, it do slowly go forward. But you didn't want that because you'd fall out of that lift zone. So you'd constantly be turning into the wind and cutting back and forth like this. So just stay right there on that beach line. When you're flying laterally like this, you're not making forward progress. If you turn a little bit more, you actually are falling back. It's fun, man. I don't really want to take my stuff to the beach where it'll get salt on it, get cooked by the sun. Even though I bet it's really fun. 7.6, 7.5, 4, 3, 7.3. Wow. That's pretty fast. Pretty fast wind. You're like sliding into the turn. Woo! Let's make Pickle Rick's arm move. Let's go with the wind for a second. Slowly come out of that turn. Let it slide you because it's fun. Oh, geez, what was that? Alright, that wasn't cool. I felt a huge gust. Like some ghost just flew right in front of my face. Did I just fly into my own wake? Is that what that was? Man, that is disturbing. The air's been totally laminar, so I must have hit my own wake. Man, you feel it. It's like hitting a wall. Boom. Alright. I don't care where we land, just as we do it safe. I'm okay with walking a little. Alright, no more rumblies. So I say. Not over till it's over. Boop boop. Yeah. Do 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 do. Da. Wow, wow, wow. Ba 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 ba. Ba da ba ba da ba da ba. Do 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 do. do 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 do